the city with the gang, we finna walk out. I feel like a diamond, how I'm dancing with my all out. Ball out, call out, shawty gonna fall out. I was doing good, I was tryna get the ball now. Dripping with the forces, I'ma crease them when I walk out. While you flexing beamers, you gon' lease it with a top down. Tryna stack the squad, and I know you tryna drop out, hop out. We finna pop out, yeah, we finna pop out on your ass. We coming up fast, they bumping on my songs in the...
I gotta make this video because the other night my mom sent me a document and I actually heard about this before and I just thought, why not talk about it? So this big thing where it was like blown up everywhere. This kid ended up juuling for like a year or whatever, and he ended up having holes in his lungs and he blamed it on the Juul. So I don't know if it's because of the salt Nick or there's something in the Juul pod itself. Never heard about it. All of a sudden all these cases are coming out, and you know what the news does? As soon as one drops, you know, they blame every sickness on it. And read this and put it on the screen for you guys. But pretty well it's saying that a vape is putting holes in people's lungs. Now I'm 20, I've been vaping since I was 15. I never really used salt nic or high nicotine. Usually I kept it around 0 or 3. Well, usually I kept it around 3 until, I don't know, probably last year I bumped it up to 6, and then I went and used salt nic because, you know, a smaller vape is a lot easier to carry around and use, and you get more nicotine and you get a better feeling. But at the start of summer, for me, I got a vape sent to me, and I had a Trinity Alpha at the time, and then I got these Boar vapes sent to me, and I was using salt nic, 50 salt nic. I was actually using, I'll put a picture on the screen, Air Factory Blue Raz, and all of a sudden, one morning my throat was like, you know, kind of dry. Sometimes it is because I do sleep with a fan on, and I keep it fairly cold in my room. My throat was kind of dry, so I went through the day, I kept vaping, and then it just got worse. I lost, well actually, woke up the next morning, my throat was swollen, and I was like, whatever, I got a sore throat. But it didn't go away. Went to the doctor, no tonsillitis, no strep throat, nothing. So a week or two go by, I finally started feeling better. I started using my vape again. I was using this vape right here. It's kind of story time. I was using this vape right here. 3 nic, 6 nic. 1 second. Sorry if my voice kind of sounds whack. I was all last night screaming and yelling around like always. But anyways, I was using this vape. As soon as my sore throat went away on a Friday, I think it was the first Friday of summer holidays. You know, everyone's out of school, everyone wants to party, everyone's off work. So I decided I'm feeling good. On the way to work, I started using my vape, felt fine. Came home, went golfing with a bunch of my cousins, and I decided I'd bring an Nord. Well, the sore throat came back. Then the next day went away. I'm like, okay, whatever. So started using my Nord, started vaping more and more. 50 nic still, same juice. I've been vaping this Air Factory for like 3 months now, and I changed it. You know, I've changed it and used other people's Nords, and then one day I realized my voice started going like iffy, and then my throat was sore again. But get this, after a week. So I went back to the clinic, the doctor's office. They said I'm fine. Then about a week later, I just said I'd keep vaping, whatever. Sore throat went away after 2 days. And then I lost my voice, I was having troubles breathing, and I started coughing up a lot of phlegm, like green, chunky phlegm. And yeah, it was bad, and then I was on and off sore throat for all of July, losing my voice on and off, and just troubles breathing and stuff. So I decided that I'm probably gonna quit using this thing and salt nic in general. Especially after these studies come by. There's 5 of my buddies who have lost their voices, have trouble breathing. Everyone's coughing up phlegm. Everyone that's using salt nic that I know right now is coughing up green, phlegm, trouble breathing, and the lungs are just feeling a little heavy. But when I use this thing, I feel absolutely fine. So it's kind of weird, but on those studies it's pretty well that exact same the lung feeling, it's literally like you have pneumonia, or it's giving you pneumonia. I could have had pneumonia and the doctors didn't see it. I don't know how that would happen, but it's like literally buddy got pneumonia. But I don't know if it's people are just getting sick and that happened. But as soon as I started feeling better, my mom sent this link because she knows I've been sick. And yeah, so I don't know if I believe that it could be salt nick or the jewels or what it is, but something in these vapes are making people sick. And let me know down in the comments what you think. Don't think I'm pairing just because of the news. I know news articles blow it out of proportion. One person gets sick, all of a sudden this one kid had holes in his lungs apparently and from juuling, and now there's 14, and now there's 100 cases freaking all over the United States. I haven't heard anything in Canada yet. I don't know if we're just tougher than Americans, but yeah, it's just, let me know what you guys think. I'm not saying that the news articles are right or that I'm right. It's just, I'm just bringing this awareness because maybe you're getting sick and you don't know if it's from vaping or not. So maybe drop 50 nick, drop salt nick completely, and go back to a vape like this, because I used it for 5 years and I never felt sick from this thing. And salt nick now literally just makes me want to throw up no matter what salt nick I use and no matter what levels I use. It just makes me feel sick, and all my friends agree with me. So I don't know, I just thought I'd post this video for you guys. Just spread it, let you guys know what's going on with that. I don't know if you guys have read it yet, or if you didn't, that's why I kind of made a video. But anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If the title's kind of clickbaity, I'm sorry, but you know, we gotta pull in those views. And anyways, we'll make some videos and have some fun. So anyways, thank you guys so much for watching today's video. If you did enjoy, make sure to drop a thumbs up. Like I said, comment your opinions down below. Please don't send hate just because I said this. Make sure to subscribe if you guys are new and turn on those post notifications, because I'm going to start posting again. This is actually good. I'm starting to post again because I haven't posted in a while. But anyways, peace out you guys. Have a good one.